Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Today I'm going to teach you class ninth English reader, as you can see on your screen also. This is the class ninth English reader. Okay, this is the class ninth English reader, and the book name is Behave Book, and this book is provided for the class ninth students CBSE board. Okay, so dear students, very first I want to tell you that something that is very important for you. This year you have reached in class ninth. This is higher level for you because you have studied your primary level, after that junior level, and now you have reached in a higher level, you can say, in class ninth. And class ninth and 10th is very important for you because this is the basic, you can say, platform that stand you for your future, for your bright future, for your bright career, for your job. So from today, we are going to start your English book, and I want to tell you that you will make a strategy. You will be very serious for your study because English also have a lot of importance these days. English language is very important, so this is the reason you will study your chapters clearly. And this book is CBSE book, so all the chapters that kept for you, they are very important. They have a lot of importance in your education. So dear students, from today you will be energetic, you will be ready for study, and you will, I have told you already that you will make your timetable, and according to that timetable you will prepare yourself, you will prepare your homework, and you will study. Okay, and after that we go further and we see that what is given in this book. So this is Behave book, you know already about it, and textbook in English for class ninth. So you have seen this. Okay, and after that I want to tell you that you can see over here, this is the page that over here printed a picture, you can see because I will tell you, because over here in this chapter you can say there are two students. So, and you can see this is the Rashtriya Shikshan Anushandhan and Prashiksha Parishad, National Council of Education Research book, and it means you can say this is the book. And after that, very first I will tell you about the chapter. Okay, so you can see over here, fun they had, fun they had. The first thing that today I'm going to teach you, this is the first chapter of class ninth. This is the very first chapter of class ninth. And fun they had, as you can see, fun they had, chapter का मतलब ही है, you can see over here and understand to read this title of the chapter, that fun they had, it means in this chapter I want to tell you something. There were two students, you can say, and how they were thinking that their ancientors have fun. Why they were thinking like this? Because they are the students of computer era, and in this chapter when they found a book, and through that book, when they know about the schools, about the students, how they go to school, like you go to school, your teachers come in the class and teaches and taught you all, and taught all the subject in the same way. They were thinking, they were knowing very first time, because this story uh, tells about the future, that how the classes will run in the future. Okay, so all these things we will know over here through this chapter, and we will understand that what is given in this chapter. So very first you will see that you can see over here, fun they had. So you have understood that what is the meaning of the fun they had means, because they were thinking in this chapter about their ancientors. So they were thinking, they are you can say old students in the primitive time, in the ancient time, that how the students have fun because they go to school, they sit together with the students in the class. After that their teacher came and taught them. So and you know, there were a lot of friend, they have a lot of friend, and all the friends help to each other. In this way, when they know about this kind of school, they have a lot of fun. So you know, to knowing this, so they were thinking that फन दे हैड, मतलब वे लोग जो थे उनको कितना अच्छा रहा होगा, कितना मज़े से, कितना फन से वो लोग पढ़ाई करते रहेंगे. अबाउट दिस काइंड ऑफ स्कूल्स, अबाउट दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दे वर थिंकिंग. सो द राइटर has written the title of this chapter, The Fun They Had. Okay, I think you have clear now that what is the meaning of the title, and after that we proceed and we'll see that what is given in this chapter. So before you read, you will see something over here. Before you read, you will see something over here, and you know, I want to tell you from this over. So listen, before you read what is given over here, you will see clearly. Okay, so before you read, you will see from here, the story we shall read is set in the future. The story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools as we now know then will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? Because this kind of question comes in our mind also. Listen very first. The story we shall read is set in the future. You know, this is story from the hat we are going to study, we are going to read, is set in the future. ये कहानी जो है वो सेट किस में है, फ्यूचर में सेट है. फ्यूचर में सेट होने का मतलब क्या है, you know, we can understand that set in the future means this is telling that how will be the students of the future, and how will they study in the future, how their books were, how they take online classes, as you can say, because this story totally based on online classes. Like these days you are reading, you are studying online classes. Okay, so these are the things that are very important, and after that you will understand all these things. So the story we shall read is set in the future. You have understood, because this story is telling you about the future classes, that how students will go through online classes and go through computer, and after that they will not have any printed book. They will study only all the books on their screens. Okay, so the story is over here we have seeing a story. The story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools as we now know then will perhaps not exist. And at that time, in that future, over here writer is telling that when books and schools as we now know, these kind of books as we are reading now, perhaps it may be disappear in the future. Over here writer is telling that it may be that perhaps in the future these kind of books will not exist, this kind of schools will not exist. So over here writer is saying that in future it may be that the schools will be not exist, and books were also not found in the, you can say, printed form. All the books will be on your screen, and you will go through your screen, and after that you will study. So how will, and this chapter you can imagine this time also, because you know, because of the pandemic we are also going through online classes. And in this way, because over here writer is telling that future classes will be the same, because anybody, or you can say any student, will not go to schools, they will always stay their home, in their room, in their house, and over there you can say robotic teacher will come to teach them. So in this way you can very easily imagine to seeing this kind of present situation, that how we are going through online classes. Okay, so the story is over here. 1 minute. So the story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools as we now know then will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? So a kind of question can come in your mind also, that how the students will study then, how will study the future students when they will not have teachers, when they will not have schools like these days, and when they have not books like us also, then how will they study then? This kind of question comes in mind. But over here, when you will read the complete chapter, you will completely find out that how will they study. So the diagram below may give you some ideas, and to understanding this, to finding out this, over here some diagram is given. You will analyze these diagrams, and after that you can understand better that how your future classes will be. Okay, solution, I'm going to tell you something about these diagrams. Very first diagram that you are seeing here, very first diagram that you are seeing is learning through computer. Okay, learning through computers. So what is the meaning of this? Because I have told you already that this story is set in the future. So set in the future means in the future you are learning through the your all learning will be through the computers. Okay, because there were no teachers found, no school exists, no teachers, no books also. So you will study totally through the computer. Through the computer, your book will be online, you can say, in not printed form, you can say, they will be PDF, or in this way you will open your book on the screen, and all the pages, all the chapters you will study on your screen. There will be no any printed book. So learning through computers, it means that you will study totally, your studies totally depend on computers. Okay, after that, next you can see virtual classes. What is the meaning of virtual classes? As you imagine this picture, you can see over here that the student who is just sitting before the computer, she is at her home, and this is all the home, this is a home of her. And after that, she is over here seated, and she was imagining, you can imagine over here that this is not the school, this is her home, and she has seated in her room, and after that she is studying, she is reading through her computer, because there were no any teacher, there were no any book, because all the book on the computer, all the teachers on the computer, and after that they came and teach them. So can understood that your classes, virtual classes means like school classes, your classes will not be, you will study only through the virtual classes. Okay, as you can see, virtual meetings is very popular these days, because you can see your prime minister will not go anywhere, and after that he seated in a room and he take virtual meetings from all states ministers, states, you can say, prime minister, sorry, chief ministers. In this way you can understand. Okay, so your classes will be virtual. So over here writer is telling that in the future classes will be virtual, there will be no school, there will be no book, there will be no teachers. And next picture you can see over here, next picture, robotic teacher. What is the meaning of robotic teacher? Robotic teacher means there will be no any teacher come to teach you at your home also. It means a robotic teacher will appear on your screen, and after that he will teach the subject wise, chapter wise, all the things on your computer. It means there is no need to go to school, there is no need to any teacher, and there is no need of books also. So a robotic teacher will appear on your screen and he will teach you. Next you can see over here, moving textbook. What is the meaning of moving textbook? Understood to seeing these pictures. This is a robotic teacher. Okay, so these kind of schools will be in future. And this is the computer, you can see here, through the computer you will study. So moving e-text means, you can say, as you can see, there were some text on the screen also, because this is the text, as you can see. So this kind of moving text, because this is not book, because book is, you can say, book is this, but okay, book is this is printed form. But as you can see these books on your screen, so this is not the book, you can say this is a moving text on your screen. So this kind of text will appear on your screen and you will go through that text, that book in that is printed on your computer. Okay, so these are the meaning of these pictures. You will go through pictures, you will understood it clearly, and after that very easily you can imagine that how will be the situation of the studies in future, and you can say how will be the schools in the future. Because one thing once again I want to make clear here, that over here this story is telling about the future situation, that in the future how will be the schools and how will the situation of the education. And in this way you can see over here that it is totally indicating towards the online studies. Okay, now come on your topic and we will see, you can see over here something written in pairs, discuss three things that you like best about your schools and three things about your schools that you would like to change. Write them down, you can see and you can read this and you can do this. After that, next over here written, have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? Over here writer is asking to you that have you read any book or any read any word or any television, it means any word on your television or on your computer. You know, these days you study a lot of things on your computer, on our mobile also. So this kind of question he is asking. And can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers? And you can imagine that when in future this kind of time came that you will not find any written book or any printed book. Your book, your all the books will be, you can say, in a printed form. You can say on your screen moving text will appear and you will study this. And after that, and there will be no books printed on paper. Would you like such books better? तो क्या आपको इस तरह की किताबें जो होंगी वो ज़्यादा पसंद होंगी? Would you like such books better? This kind of questions writer is asking to you. Okay, after that we will come on the main page of the chapter. You can say we will study chapters from here. As you can see, the first name that appear on your screen, this is Margie. You can say this is 11-year-old a girl, a small girl, a little girl. And how she was very surprised when she find a book, because these are the students of, because this story is set in 17th May 2157. You will be clear here, 2157 यानी आज क्या है, you know, 2021, but over here this story set in 2157. So you can imagine over here that in those days when this kind of date come, you can say in 2157 में जो schools होंगी वे इस तरह की नहीं होंगी. These kind of things writer want to tell you. So the Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, today Tommy found a real book. Tommy found a real book. So Margie is a character, main character of this chapter, this story, and all the story is based on her. You know, she is a little girl. She is only 11-year-old, and she was the student of 2157. So they have not seen, you can say she has not seen any printed book. She does not know about the schools. She does not know about the teachers like us. We go to school and teach. So when she first time know about this, she was becoming very surprised. So how the story goes further, I'm going to tell you. Listen, Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. She was writing something about her diary about the date 17 May 2157. On the page headed, it means she has a book, and after that she was seeing a page. On that page, a date is mentioned, 17 May it means, when you go to study, or you write something on your notebook, on your copy, you write date. So when she write the date, so what was the date of that day? 17 May 2157। ओके, यानी वो डेट कब की थी जब ये कहानी बताई जा रही है, वह 17 मई 2157 की। सो इन दिस वे यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड 17 May 2157। So how will be the schools in those days? Over here, right, this telling solution. Today Tommy found a real book. What she was saying? Today Tommy, you can say her brother. So she was saying that today Tommy found a real book. Real books means this is, because this is real book. Okay, this is not your virtual book, not your online text. This is a real book. So she was saying, because she was finding a real book. She was finding a real book, and this was the reason because they have not seen before it any book, any text, any printed book. So after that she want to go through this book. So today she was saying that today Tommy found a real book. Okay, after that it was a very old book. It was a very old book. ये जो book है, the book that she found that day, it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather, listen what she was saying, it was a very old book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, when he was, it means you can see over here his grandfather is telling something to us, because it, you can understood it also that the book that say she has at that time, this was the book of her grandfather. So it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said, उसके दादाजी ने, Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, when he was in, you can say, grandmother's, when grandmother was a small boy, when he was a little boy, his grandmother, what happened after that, when boy, his grandmother told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. It means you can say over here that her grandmother once told her that when he was very small, when he was a boy, when he was a little boy, at that time all the books found in, you can say, printed form, like the same these days we study, we read all the books in the printed form. So he was telling this story to her, you can say, uh, uh, Margie, that how the book in his childhood exists. And after that she heard this and she became very surprised. So told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. It means it was a time when all the books found in a printed form. Okay, after that I have told you something. So listen here. They turned the pages. They turned pages. After that they turned the pages which were yellow and crinky. When you see any old book, very old book, its page turned into yellow. You can see over here very old pages turned into yellow. In the same way, this book is very old. This was the reason it is already changed into yellow. So the page of the book changed into yellow and crinky, यानी वे कड़े हो गए थे। और वे क्या हो गए थे? कड़े का मतलब तुम जैसे एकदम बहुत ही ओल्ड पेजेस हो जाते हैं। एंड दे हैव changed its color also, you can say they already changed into yellow. So the turned the pages which were yellow and crinky, and it was awful funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it to the first time. So they turned the pages because they were very surprised to finding the book. This was the reason they want to go through the book, and this was the reason they turned the pages. When they turned the pages, which were yellow and crinky, and it was awfully funny to read words because they were very awfully means you can say they were very surprised, they were very they have because why they were awfully funny, because they have not seen any book before it, and they have not gone through any book. It means in their life they have not studied any book like this. So it was a very funny full situation for them. So it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to, because in their life in those days they go through the books only on their screen, only on they study moving text. So this is the reason they were awfully funny over, they were funny over here, they were taking it in a funny way because they were first time in their life going to read any book. So they were supposed to on the screen, and then when they turned back to the pages, and after that when go to the next page, and then when they turned back to the pages before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. And after that when go through the pages by pages, they find out that the same words, same sentences written over there, same like their screen, because they read their book on the screen, and the same thing that is printed on the book. In this way they were awfully funny that this kind of moving text that they study on their screen, that is printed in a book, it was in a printed form. Okay, so it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So dear students, till here first number I have completed here. From the second point, you can see from the second point I will teach in the next video. So dear students, I hope you will like this class, you will understood the things, and suppose if you are not able to understand anything, you will comment me, I will tell you all the things. I will try more to tell you more clearly, so that so when you will tell me that what is the problem to you, in this way I will know your problem and I will try to solve your problem. And after that I will say to you that you must take your books, and after that, because this is the ninth class and you should be very serious, so go to school, books are available there, you will take your books, and after that you will continue your study. Thank you dear students.